Man, I just heard the craziest question, and I'm hearing this a lot. How do you lose weight standing on a plate? Great question. Today I'm gonna cover that right now, like what people are saying and what the truth is. And at the end, I'm gonna tell you a little secret about how our plates are different. Let's get started. Hey, it's Dr. Mike Moriearty with the iFit Lifestyle. This is the iVibration Pro. It's about information to get you started with whole body vibration. Now, a question I get answered all the time is, how the heck can you lose weight standing on a plate? And it's a great question because realistically, standing on a vibration plate is more for rehab. Let me explain that. In chiropractic, we use codes. There's a thing called Postural Reeducation. We sit in chairs all day long. We sit in our car. We sit in the sofa, watch TV. Our bodies are adapting to this environment. So we tend to get a curve back. Our quadriceps right here get longer because we're always keeping our knees bent, which causes the hamstrings and the back of the legs to get shorter. The quads get long because they're constantly under stress, causing a lengthening of the front part, shortening of the back part, causes instability, causes the hips to rotate a little bit out of position, which in turn causes you to have a more of a rounded back versus having the nice good posture with the three nice little curves in your spine that make you stand upright. Now here's the thing. Standing on a plate with perfect posture will help re-educate your body to this position. And this is where chiropractic and whole body vibration is, I think that every chiropractor should be using it because it dramatically affects your posture. Now this is about the only time you would stand on it versus, maybe improving circulation if you're older. It helps, the constant forces cause your bones to get stronger because your bones, there's a thing called a piezoelectric crystal. Whenever you put a lot of stress on these salts that comprise the bone, it generates electrical charge which attracts more salt to this area, which forms a stronger bone. Now, for standing on the plate, you're looking for lymphatic flow, blood circulation, improved bone density, postural education. That's kind of on the rehab side. Now we switch gears to the exercise part of it. You want to vary your movement. Like even when I'm standing on the plate, I'm shifting my weight back and forth. I'm bending my knees, I'm going down stretching, I'm going back and forth. I'm constantly altering my balance so that it emphasizes the vibration on different parts of the muscle groups. Now, I'm a firm believer that standing on it, you're only gonna work a little bit of the quads, a lot of the core, and the stabilization systems in the body. But when you start doing like squats, like you just do squats down as far as you can go down and back up, really slow, or you start doing like you're actually stepping up steps. You walk up the plate like you're walking up a step. You lift yourself up, go back down, up. So you kind of like step up, step up. We should do in steps. Then you do squats, you do lunges, you do cable work where you got the straps on the side. We have sandbags, you work out the sandbags on both sides. You do push-ups, sit-ups, you do shoulders on the straps, you do kettlebell swings for the shoulders, you can do that with the exercise bag, you can lean over, you can lift up the weight toward your body, which works your back out, all while it's vibrating, which intensifies the workout dramatically. There's not many things on this planet that can give me a complete workout in less than 10 minutes where I go to 100% failure. And I know a lot of people don't want to hear this. They think that going to failure are going to get too bulky. That's not true. Or, I don't like working out. And actually no one likes working out. We like how we feel after we work out. Most of us gym rats, we're always looking for the high afterwards. You put the struggle in the beginning, get the endorphin high at the end, and then you get noticed and you start getting the people around you are aware of how good a shape you are, and they're always getting comments. It's addictive. It's kind of an egocentric way of life, but hey, you know, we all want to look good, we want to feel good, and we want to be a good role model for our kids. Now, here's the thing, and this is what makes our plate different than the other plates, is that, okay, whatever you could do on the ground, you do on a plate, and it amplifies it up to times 8. So I can do 100 push-ups on the ground. It's difficult, but it's not impossible for me. I can barely do 10 slow push-ups on a vibration plate, and I'm at 100% failure because it's working the super fast twitch fast. It's working the muscles that are designed for short, quick bursts. These muscle fibers burn more calories. Now, here's the thing about the vibration patterns. You have oscillating. You have the magnetic one, like speaker, that kind of goes up and down. You have oscillation. Then you have circular oscillation, which kind of goes back. This is a little bit of sway back and forth. And then there's vertical vibration. Our machine consists of the circular oscillation and then a small vertical vibration. The oscillation, the circular oscillation, is where you burn all the calories. The vertical up and down is actually very, very mild. It's almost like massage-like, but it's those micro shocks that help improve the circulation, and also it helps improve the formation of bone density that gets your bone stronger. The combination of the three, when you have oscillation, the small little translation was combined with the circular oscillation, and the vertical vibration, this is where you get the crazy workouts. That's what kind of makes our machine different than other machines, because it can fall into the role for rehab by having the small micro vibrations that aren't going to stress the joints out. That's going to cause someone that has a bad back to have a flare up. But it has this long oscillation, which is up to 8 millimeters, which is the high oscillation. So it's going to put maximum amount of effort into the muscle groups, the muscle bellies, to get deep workouts that are going to get great results. This is where our plates are different, and that we're using every vibration that you can put into a machine. We found a way to combine them all, make it last, make it durable. So we problem solved all the bugs that can happen if the machine's falling apart. And now we've been selling. This is now we're going on our 4th generation coming out. It's actually out right now. We're just waiting for it to come in. These machines are powerful. Do they replace the gym? No. The gym, you go to the gym and work out with weights that kind of put a little more bulk on your body. Does it replace aerobics? Yes, but you know, it's always good to do a little aerobics. Vibration is working a side of the body that to some people never get worked out, and that's this super fast twitch fast muscle. That's all the reflexes. If you look at the Olympics, people that sprint really fast, they sprint. They're really muscular, they're very lean because they're using a system that burns a lot of calories. Marathon runners, which work a lot of slow twitch, they tend to be very small, lack muscle, but they don't seem to be as lean as the sprinters are, because the marathon runners don't use these high energy consuming muscles as much as they do the slow twitch, which are very efficient. So this is Dr. Mike Moriearty with the iFit Lifestyle iVibration Pro. A video explaining like what's the point of a vibration when you just stand on it versus working out on it. And like I said in the earlier mentioned video, standing on it's more of a rehab type protocol. Exercises are a more bodybuilding, building muscle type procedure. If you're trying to lose weight, the more muscles you get involved with it, the more fat you're going to use, the better you're going to look. Things of this nature. This is Dr. Mike. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, because likes and comments are important for YouTube to think that the video is important, that it will actually help it rank. Otherwise, if you don't leave no comments, don't hit the little the thumbs up thing. They tend to get lost in the billions of videos that are on YouTube right now. Thank you and have a great day.